Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ClickUp CRM templates for sales task management, full guide step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to set up the CRM templates. Click on the Spaces tab on the left sidebar. Select the space dedicated to your sales team or create a new one. In the chosen space, click on the Templates section. Select Create Template to begin crafting your CRM template. Choose the type of template you want to create, focusing on sales task management. Add a template name that reflects its purpose, such as Sales Task Management. Set up your template by adding necessary fields, like task name, priority, and due date. Incorporate custom fields to capture additional sales data like deal value and client contact information. Organize tasks into specific statuses such as leads, in progress, and closed. Integrate automations to streamline repetitive actions, like moving tasks to different statuses based on due date. Add assignees to define ownership of tasks within the sales team. Include checklists within tasks for tracking stages of the sales process efficiently. Utilize the Views options to customize how you visualize tasks, such as List View, Board View, or Calendar View. Save your template once you've configured all necessary components. To apply the template, go back to your Spaces task area. Click Add Task and select Use Template to choose the CRM template you created. Populate the template with current sales opportunities and relevant details. Ensure all team members have access to this template for consistency in task management. Review and adjust your template as needed to improve efficiency or adapt to team changes. Engage with your sales team to gather feedback on the template's effectiveness. Make iterative improvements based on their input for continued optimization. Now, your ClickUp CRM template is ready for effective sales task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.